If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. When you create text, it is created in its own type layer, which you can see in the Layers panel. Remember to select the correct text layer before trying to apply editing changes to text. You can also apply layer effects to text layers and change layer options for text layers just as you would with normal layers. One thing you may want to do to a text layer is to simplify, also called rasterize it. Remember that text layers are created using vector-based information. To use your bitmap editing tools on a text layer, you must first rasterize the layer. However, doing this makes it no longer editable by using the normal Type tool in the toolbox. To simplify a text layer, select the layer in the Layers panel. Then choose Layer. Simplify Layer from the menu bar to change the vector information to bitmap information. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.